want to show you how to transfer photos or videos from your Android device to an external hard drive. It could be any kind of this guy, Samsung or any other ones, or this one that says Fang thing. Or you can also transfer to TF card, SD card, like the one I have on the side. In this case, I'm just going to use a SSD hard drive, and I'm going to plug it into my phone right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into, let's see, My Files. We're going to click My Files, and in here we see that we already have USB storage 1. That's the one. So what we're going to do now is we're going to click on Image or Videos. Let's say Videos. Here we're going to click on the three dots on the top. We're going to click Select, and we're going to select a few ones just for testing purposes. And then on the bottom we're going to click where it says Move, and then on the top here we're going to select where it says USB storage 1, and now we're going to click Move here. So now the move has been completed. Let's say we want to transfer a few more. So click Select this ones, I guess. One. Click again, Move. We're going to click where it says USB storage, and as you can see, the previous one, they're already there. So we're going to click here, Move, and they're completed. Also, what we can do is to select all of them. That way it's easier to move it from one place to another and delete it at the same time. So in order to go faster, we're going to select all, and obviously I'm going to select the ones that are already download, and then I'm going to keep Move, and then select USB storage, and then Move here. And that's going to take a while because 675 videos. And that's how you transfer videos, photos, files from your phone to an external hard drive. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please leave a comment if you have any questions. Put a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.